This instructional video will outline the main categories of technical documents, the characteristics of technical writing, and describe the features of selected technical documents. Good day, I am Alicia Campbell, Language and Communication Skills Instructor. From the simple steps outlined in a user guide to the manufacturing specifications required to produce the latest smartphone, technical documents are everywhere. Technical documents are used in all industries and fields. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of technical documents. By the end of this instructional video, you should be able to define technical writing, describe categories of technical writing, outline features of technical documents, and appreciate best practices of drafting technical documents. Throughout the video, you will be exposed to the following employability skills: critical thinking, collect, analyze, and organize information, communicate ideas and information, and use technology. So, what exactly is technical writing? Technical writing refers to documentation drafted to instruct, inform, explain, and report on a particular topic for a specific audience. The goal of technical writing is to communicate complex information clearly and precisely for the audience and the purpose at hand. The subject of a technical document could be a product, a device, a policy, a medical procedure, scientific research, or any relevant topic across many industries. Technical documents may be governed by particular writing styles and formatting conventions, or may be entirely up to the design of the writer. Regardless of the format of the technical document, however, technical writing needs to be clear and concise, objective, convey solid information, facts and data, be impersonal, keep style and format consistent, should be archived or tracked by version number and date of publication. Let's review what we have done so far. Technical documents are primarily written with a specific audience in mind to inform, instruct, explain, and report. Technical documents cover a wide range of topics and may be presented in different formats, but they should always be clear and concise, objective, convey credible information, facts, and data, be consistent in terms of style and format, be version controlled. That is, the content may be archived or tracked by a version number and date of publication. They should be properly cited and referenced. Technical documents cover a wide range of document formats. Let us explore a few categories of technical writing based on the intended audience and purpose of the document. Traditional technical documents are informative or instructional documents that are developed and written for an audience already familiar with a specific technical area. Examples of traditional technical documents include programmer guides, repair manuals, medical research, report papers, and schematics. End-user documents are drafted for use by consumers of a product. Technical documents for consumers include user guides, online help systems, release notes, training manuals, installation manuals, or operating procedures. Marketing support documents are product-focused and used to market the products and services of a company. These technical marketing documents may include computer-based training videos, presentations, online help, or technical landing pages. Development support documents include technical and functional specifications, software development guides, glossaries to help technical teams design, develop, manufacture, test, and maintain equipment and software. Organizational support documents focus on information about a company, structure, procedures, quick reference guides, workflows, policies, maintenance manuals, and anything else employees need to know to do their jobs. Let's review what we have done so far. Technical documents are used by all industries and range from simple to complex in content and format. Here are a few of the main categories based on purpose and intended audience. Traditional technical documents are written for use by experts in a field. Example, medical studies. End-user documents' primary purpose is to instruct and guide consumers. Example, user guides. Marketing support documents are used to enhance the marketing of products and services. Example, a catalog. Development support documents are used to aid the design, development, manufacture, testing, and maintenance of equipment and software. Example, a product specification document. Organizational support documents are used to inform and guide the employees within a company on policies, procedures, and essentials to perform within the work environment. Example, a company's code of conduct policy. Let's now take a closer look at the features of a few technical documents. Company policy is intended to inform employees of a company of the expectations, legal obligations, and responsibilities which they have relating to a particular topic. Example, an attendance policy, confidentiality policy, etc. Here are some of the key features of a company document: a header block, background section, purpose statement, scope, definitions, procedures, related policies, references, and citations. The header block should include a number of things, including but not necessarily limited to A, the title of the policy document, B, identity of the department responsible for drafting, reviewing, and reinforcing the policy, C, the effective date of the policy, D, the policy number, E, the date of approval, F, the identity of the approval authority, G, whether it modifies or replaces an existing policy, and H, number of pages inclusive in the document. The title should clearly identify the general topic of the policy and assist those who may be searching for guidance on the policy's topic area. It should indicate whether the policy is replacing an existing policy and the last revision date. The background section explains the context by which the policy has been created, such as changes in laws, regulations, standards, compliance guidelines. The purpose statement outlines the intent and objectives of the policy. Purpose statements usually have an active verb such as to promote, to comply, to ensure, etc. The scope explains the range of application of the documents in terms of covered persons, facilities, and sites, etc. Definitions. In many cases, there will be terminology used that requires understanding and clarification. Procedures provide detailed processes, requirements, methods, and guidance on how relevant persons are expected to act in accordance with the policy. Related policies. It is important that policies addressing similar or related issues be linked to ensure they are consistent. References or citations. The references or citation section is used for legal and regulatory citations and government guidance documents, as well as citing internal organizational documents. A brochure is an example of an end-user document designed to appeal and share selected details of a product, service, or organization. Brochures take users into a deeper level of understanding and appeal through clear descriptions, functions and uses of a product. Here are some features of a well-designed brochure. A well-designed cover has an uncluttered design and typically consists of 3 elements: an image that stands out, the company's logo, and a phrase that captures the reader to learn more. The most effective phrases are in large type, usually fewer than 10 words, and appear at the top of the brochure. Use attention-catching headings. Use color to set the mood of the content and add credibility or whimsy to the brochure. Use an easy-to-read font and different font sizes to highlight headings and important details. White space may be used to draw attention to key images and/or information. Let's review what we have done so far. The formats, sections, and design of a technical document will vary based on the purpose, the audience, and established conventions. So get familiar with the features of different technical documents. Best practices for drafting technical documents. 1. Define your audience. Unlike creative writing, where the writer writes from their imagination or a journalist reports the facts to the general public, technical writing is tailored to a specific audience. A technical writer has to consider the reader's background, goals, and knowledge of the product or technology in order to adapt to the audience. 2. Be clear about what you want your reader to do after you end. Express concise and clear objectives or purpose so the user is clear about what they will be able to achieve after they're done reading. 3. Use an outline for the documentation. Creating a structured outline around which your documentation grows is highly recommended. Use headings, categories, subcategories, and topics to organize your document logically. 4. Use illustrations, diagrams, charts, or captions in your content. An illustration or diagram provides directions or visual references to the reader. Images also help to break the constant monotony of words and make the document interesting. Captions can bring context to the product diagrams and illustrations with clear directions. 5. Follow any established formats, standards, or style guides recommended or recognized for your technical writing. Traditional technical reports, for example, have expected sections in the front matter, the body, and the back matter. Strive to abide by recognized conventions, as it makes your document easier to navigate and comprehend. Let's review what we have done so far. Remember these best practices when doing technical writing. 1. Define your audience who will read or use the technical document. State clear objective or purpose for the technical writing. Start with an outline to help organize your document logically. Use illustrations, charts, and other graphics to make your document more appealing. Follow established standards, styles, and formats when drafting recognized technical documents. Having completed this instructional video on technical documents, you should now be able to define technical writing as instructional, detailed documentation drafted for a particular audience. Describe categories of technical writing, including end-user documents, marketing, development, and organizational support documents. Outline features of selected technical documents such as brochures, manufacturing product specifications, and user guides. Appreciate best practices of drafting technical documents, including clear, objective language, using appropriate style consistently throughout the document, incorporating images, charts, and illustrations as needed. Thank you for watching this video on technical writing and for staying with us as we explored technical documents. The essential topics covered will prove useful for those who draft or use technical documents.